Hi friends, once again KT sir is here from the channel Kartik Tuitions. In my previous video, we had discussed about how to draw the histogram and frequency polygon. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a pie diagram for the given data. So let's start with the video without wasting your time. Now see, when I talk about pie diagram, what do exactly I mean by pie diagram? Now a pie diagram is nothing else but presentation of a data in a circle where each data is given a sector based on the contribution in a total data. So uska matlab, let's have a look at it. Now see, first I will draw the circle of radius 5 centimeter. It is always advisable to draw the circle between a radius of 5 to 6 centimeter. So first I will draw the circle. Now after that I take one radius. Now this will become our baseline. On this I will draw a sector with help of a protector. Let us say I have taken one sector of 75 degree. So this I will mark this point and I will join this with the center, so I'll get one sector of 75 degree. Now this radius will become my baseline and I will place the protector again to measure the next sector. So here I'll take 70 degrees this time. Now I will join this point with the center, so I'll get the next sector. Now after this radius becomes my baseline to get the next sector. Let us say I have taken this time point 90 degree. So I'll get the sector as 90 degree, and so on. Now here, the sectors are not taken randomly. It is based on the contribution of a data in a whole data. For example, there is a small formula. Here, measure of central angle, that is theta, is denoted by data upon total into 360, where data is a contribution of the data from the total part. So here, data upon total into 360. If you learn this formula, you can draw the pie diagram very easily. Even this formula is useful while solving the sums based on reading of a pie diagram, where few values will be given to you and you're supposed to find the measure of central angle on your own. So let's start with one sum. Area under different crops in a certain village is given below, represented by pie diagram. Now here you will prepare a table with a three columns, where first column will be the data and second will be its value. Now सबसे पहले total find करो. Total किसका? Area in hectare. So that will become 18,000. Now what is the formula? Data upon total into 360 degree. Now see here, for first Jowar, the data is 8,000. So it will become 8,000 upon 18,000 into 360. Always try to build a relation between 360 degree and the total of the data, because her time data will keep on changing, but these two values will remain same. For example, here, see, I can reduce this 30, 18 ones are 18 20s are, and 8 into 20 will give me 160 degree. So my first sector will be of 160 degree. Then same way, next will become 6,000 upon 18,000 into 360. Now when you simplify this, it becomes 120. So ये कैसे हुआ? Same, 30 will get cancelled, 18 ones are 18 20s are, 20 into 6 will give us 120. Now same, here for 2000, the theta will become 40 degrees. Sir, आपको कैसे पता? See, 2000 upon 18,000 into 360. So 30 will get cancelled, 18 ones are 18 20s are, 20 into 2 becomes 40, so that will give us 40 degrees. Now, obviously, vegetables ka bhi area in hectare is same, so basically the answer will be 40 degree. Now, before proceeding further, always have the habit of totaling the measure of central angle. It should always give you 360 degree. This is one way to cross check whether your values are proper or not. Now, after that, below the table, you will draw the circle of radius 5 centimeter. Then you will draw the first radius. Now, this is your baseline. See, 160. So, for that, place the protector. Now, since your inner scale is touching the baseline, you will take the inner scale to get the measure of 160 degree. And then you will join that point with the center. So you'll get the first sector, mention the central angle and the title for it without fail. After that, now place the protector on the next baseline, that is this way. Now that is 120 degree. Again, since your inner scale of the protector is touching the baseline, you will take the inner scale 120 degree and join that point with the center. So you get a second sector, mention the central angle and the title. After that, now this new radius will become your baseline. Place the protector, take the measure of 40 degree and just join it with the center. Now both are 40 degree, so you don't need to waste time for the third one. Just दोनों का central angle लिखो और title लिख दो. your pi diagram is done. If you do this much, you can easily score 3 marks. I hope you are enjoying this. Let's have a look at one more sum. Electricity used by farmers during different parts of a day for irrigation is as follows. Draw the pi diagram. Now again we'll prepare a table with 3 columns. Now first we'll find the total. 30 plus 40 plus 20 plus 10 gives us 100. अब ये तो calculation और easy हो गया. Sir कैसे? See what is the formula? Data upon total into 360. So here it will become 30 upon 100 into 360. दोनों zero cut हो जाएगा. So basically we are left with what? 3 into 36. That will give us 108 degree. Now 40 upon 100 into 360. Again the 20 gets cancelled. So it is 4 into 36. So that will become what? 144 degree. Then 20 upon 100 into 360. Again 20 gets cancelled. So 2 into 36 will give us 72 degree. And the last 10 upon 100 into 360. Now 20 gets cancelled. So it is 1 into 36. That will become 36 degree. Now let's cross check by adding all the central angles. 108 plus 144 plus 72 plus 36. And that gives 360 degree. After this, you are going to draw the table of radius 5 centimeter. Then draw any one radius that will become your baseline. Place the protector on it such that that 90-degree line should coincide with the center of the circle. After that, now we are going to take the measure of 108 degree. Since your inner scale is touching the baseline, we are going to take the inner scale of a protector to measure 108 degree. And we'll join that point with the center. We'll get the first sector where the central angle is 108 and it is for morning. Now after that 144. So our new radius will become our baseline. Now again with help of a inner scale you are going to take the measure of 144 degree and you will join that point with the center. You will get the second sector of 144 for afternoon. Now this radius will become our baseline for the next sector, that is 72 degree. Now inner scale पे 72 लेना है and then you have to join that point with the center to get the third sector for evening. And the last sector will automatically become of 36 degree, that will be of night. I hope you have understood how to draw the pi diagram. If you are confused with any of the step in anywhere, you can rewatch this video for getting it clear. If you come across any more doubts, you can mention in your comment section. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please share this video with your friends. Do like, subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Thank you.